Hi everyone! Welcome to the Empath Tarot. Another love reading, timeless and general. Take what resonates lang po. Maybe some part of the reading makaresonate kayo, some part of it hindi. Tignan natin ngayon kung anong love connections, lessons in life, and guidance ang ating mababatid for this reading. Tignan po natin. Spirit guys, send me messages. Anong love connections ito, lessons in life, and guidance na nais yung ipabatid sa amin. Mga aral at gabay sa buhay, pag-ibig. Spirit guides, send me messages. Anong love connections ito, lessons in life and guidance ang nais ninyong ipabatid sa amin. Okay, Spirit guides, send me messages. Anong love connections ito, lessons in life and guidance ang nais ninyong ipabatid sa amin. Okay, anong love connections ito? Give me more messages, Spirit guide, more messages. Spirit guide, giving more messages, Spirit guide. Anong love connections ito? Okay, think this is enough. Okay, we have the lovers. Umpisa pa lang napakaganda na ng energy na nafe-feel ko dito. Two of Wands. Page of Cups. Seven of Cups. Six of Wands. The Hierophant. Nine of Cups. Two of Cups. And the Sun. Wow, napakaganda, napakalakas ng energy of love. Ang kaganda ng mga energies dito. Full of positivity and full of love. Okay. Kuha pa tayo ng isa. Bottom of the deck. Strength card. So much, napakalakas ng power of love dito. Yung full of joy and happiness. Ito yung nasa-sense ko. Kasi lahat ang gaganda eh. Napakaganda ng mga cards, no? Ito, dito yung Seven of Cups means you have options in love. Maaring maraming tao, mahanga sa'yo, na nagkakaroon ng interest sa'yo. Still, ibig sabihin, meron kang options. No? You can choose whoever you feel the right person for you. You can choose whoever makes you happy. You can choose kung sino yung taong pakiramdam mo, siya na. Yung talagang nagpapaligaya sa'yo. Siya yung someone na talagang very respectful para sa'yo. Tapos yung strength dito, ibig sabihin na maaring nagdaan ka sa isang failed relationship. Sa mga nakaraamong relasyon na kung saan niloko ka, iniwan ka, nasaktan ka. Diba yung mga relasyon na sobrang punong-puno ng pighati sa buhay mo. But ang importante siya, you find strength. Kumuha ka ng lakas ng loob para magpatuloy sa buhay mo. Hindi mo hinahayaan na patuloy ka malugmok. You keep focusing to yourself. Yung two of Wands dito means you plan to explore, to discover things, great things in life. Hindi ka nanatili na nakalugmok lang, nag-iiyak lang. And that means you love yourself. Hindi mo hinayaan na kahit na nasaktan ka, di ba, nagpakalosyang ka or nagpakalalo kang yung pinabayaan mo yung sarili mo, means you love yourself, you continue to live your life to the fullest, you enjoy life, you are being grateful to life. Kaya naman, yung someone na yon, yan, you will meet someone na sabihin natin you share the same feelings, may gusto siya sa'yo, ikaw rin naman na-feel mo this is the right person for you, and so much love. Tapos yung lovers dito talagang kayo yung parang soulmate. No, kayo talaga yung parang maaring tinakda na magkakatuluyan. Yung Hierophant dito means maaring kayo talaga yung magkatuluyan. It will be your wish fulfillment. Yung manifestation mo about love, andyan na eh. Parang lahat ng nais mo, 'di ba, sa isang tao, sa isang relasyon, ibinigay na sa'yo. After all failed relationships, lahat ng pighati, lahat ng lungkot, lahat ng pag-iiyak mo, napawi na yon because of this person na inilaan para sa'yo. And it will be a very joy. Yung parang yung dating dilim na nakikita mo pagdating sa pag-ibig, napalitan na ngayon ng liwanag, ng full of joy, ng happiness, ng beautiful things in life. Diba? Yung sun dito means positivity. Dahil nagpakatatag ka eh. Ang pinaka-importante siya kasi kapag you came from a failed relationship, manatili kang matatag. Huwag mo nga hayaan yung sarili mo lamunin na lang ng pain, ng hatred. Huwag mong hayaan yung sarili mo lamunin ka na lang ng yung gusto mong maghiganti, yung puno ng galit, ng puot na sa taong yun. Kasi minsan talaga pinaparanas sa atin yung ganyang karanasan o yung pinapakilala sa atin yung mga ganun tao for us to become a better person. In 6 of Wands dito means success. This time, after all your crying, after all the tears, this time it will be successful. No? At siya pa nga yung taong maaring maging makatuluyan mo, tong soulmate mo na to. Siya na yung the right person at the right time na ibibigay sa iyo ni God or ng universe because hindi mo hinayaan na magpakasama ka. You become a better person sa mga naging experience mo. Kaya naman dito, napakalakas ng energy talaga ng love. No, yung love yourself. When you love yourself, you are raising your vibrations. When you raise your vibrations, you become more attractive. Kaya na-attract mo yung someone that is truly for you. Yan, it will be your wish fulfillment talaga. Na itong taong to, itong soulmate na to, ipapakilala na sa iyo ng universe ni God in the right time when you already work with your energies, when you already have that gratefulness in your heart. Kasi paano mo ma-attract yung binamanifest mong kind of love, yung isang deep, loving, committed relationship kung dyan sa puso mo punong-puno ng puot. Gusto mo pa maghiganti doon sa taong nanakit sa'yo. Tanggalin na po yan. Pakawalan nyo na po yan. Hayaan nyo na po si God ang mag-handle ng pain na yan. I-let go mo na yan. Hayaan mo na siya. Continue with your life to become a better person, to live your life, to explore, to discover things, to love yourself, to help others, to become a better person. Magiging attractive ka. Sobra. Kaya naman dito, when you raise your vibrations, diba, when you love yourself, you will attract your soulmate. Truly, siya yung someone na yung pinagdarasal mo na, ibibigay sa'yo ni God, ibibigay sa'yo ng universe yun, in its perfect timing. But you also have to work with your energies because, diba, you do not attract what you want. You attract who you are. Kaya kailangan i-work mo yung energy mo. Diba? Energies, yung thoughts, yung beliefs, yung words, your feelings are all energies. Kuha po tayo ngayon ng message ng oracle or message ng angel para sa connection na to. See? Kahit ito, soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. Ibig sabihin lang talaga na kapag naniwala ka at minahal mo yung sarili mo, the universe will give to you your soulmate, will allow you to meet your soulmate in its perfect timing. At maniwala kayo sa soulmate. Kasi lahat tayo merong soulmate. Minsan, hindi pa pinapakilala sa'yo yan when you are not yet ready, when you're still vulnerable, or maybe hindi pa talaga tamang panahon. Kasi meron pang mga proseso na kailangan mong pagdaanan in order for you to become a better person, to understand how life and love works. Bago ipakilala sa'yo yung taong karapat-dapat na sa pagmamahal mo. Pero importante, mahalin mo muna yung sarili mo. No, huwag kang magpakalugmok dyan. Bumangon ka every day with thanksgiving kay God sa lahat ng blessings mo, even small blessings in life. Pagpasalamat mo yan. Raise your vibrations. You will become more attractive. You attract hindi lang love, maraming blessings sa ma-attract mo. And you will attract your soulmate. Believe. Diba? When you believe, that will be your thoughts. Yun yung palagi mong iniisip, yung pinaniniwalaan mo. And your words, yun yung palagi lumalabas sa bibig mo. Yung good vibrations, yung good energies. And you feel light. Yun din talaga yung masasabi nating ang taas ng energy mo, ng vibrations mo. Okay, so maniwala kayo. Work with your energies, love yourself. Your wish will be fulfilled in its right time. You will meet your soulmate. Maniwala ka lang, magtiwala ka lang sa proseso ni God para sa'yo. Because if you don't believe, mananatili ka nakalugmok, wala mangyayari sa'yo. Pero kapag tinulungan mo yung sarili mo, kapag naniwala ka at tinulungan mo yung sarili mo, nakarapat-dapat ka sa pagmamahal, that you are lovable, you are loving, you are a good person, you are beautiful inside and out, you attract more blessings in life, you attract your soulmate, you attract who you are, you attract the kind of energy of who you are. Okay? So don't lose hope pagdating sa love. You will meet your soulmate. Okay? Thank you for watching. Have a good day po and God bless.